Keystone reported 5 inches of fresh snow overnight. Just thought these benches look cool. Oh, a Summit Express lift is going. What's up, guys?
What's going on? How you doing?
Awesome, yourself?
Oh, here again.
Proud to see you up here in front of the line.
Right? Nothing
Powder
surprising
day.
there, right?
But you got second gondola on opening day here.
Yeah.
Just a couple days ago on November 2nd.
Yeah. It's good. It's good. Happy to get it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my last season. I'm moving after this year.
No!
Yeah.
Will you go for first chairs to wherever you're moving?
I don't know if I can ski after I leave.
Okay.
It's gonna be up in Wisconsin, so.
Yeah,
A little
believe
bit
he's
up
going
there.
somewhere he can't ski.
What? I don't. This is terrible, terrible news.
35 years of living here. It's, you know,
Yeah.
I got my days.
It is a good run. It's a good run. All right, you guys,
Yeah,
anything
you
else you want to say for
Heck yeah.
going for
great
it?
day.
First gondola? Yeah. First good powder day.
Of course, yeah. They
Fresh.
groom, you know they groom it all out.
Oh, yeah, that's all right. It'll be soft rumors then.
Yeah, I like the soft groomer.
Quite a few folks in line. Look at this singles line. Scoop right there. Yeah, guys. Okay, first one's on Silver Spoon. Pretty fun.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Some good little snow on the side
Yep.
still.
All right, short and sweet this morning, but got some fresh pow on the side. Ever since I was 9 years old, the majority of my life has revolved around working in the field of small business. But I've made a point to come out once a year to go for first chair on opening day because snowboarding fuels my soul. I've produced and directed snowboard films and written books about snowboarding, but there's one tradition in snowboarding that stands out among all others. One that's become part of our legacy, and that is getting first chair on opening day of the season. For me, the quest for first chair is more than just a race to be the first on the lift. It represents a commitment to the sport of snowboarding and a dedication to inspire the ski and snowboard community. Because it's a tradition that brings people together and inspires others to chase their own adventures on the slopes, or whatever they love to do most.